Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to access your heater control cables on a 03 Tundra. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. First thing we're going to do is take the heater blow motor knob out, the heater selector knob, and the indicator knob, and that knob. You're going to remove the 3 Phillips screws, 1, 2, and 3. The last one. Then you have 2 hidden screws here, Phillips, and one on the other side, identical Phillips. So we're going to remove those next. Okay, and now you get your body trim tool, and you're just going to slide it in, pull, and you can put your fingers behind there, give it a good firm pull, and out she comes. Now you have your radio location and your heater control module. Just pull this down, pull it towards you. Now you have access to your heater door cable and access to your selector cable for defrost, floor, and vent. And there's the blower switch knob. Put it back in, just line up the plastic guides, slide it up. I'm gonna replace it, put it back in. I'm just gonna guide it in and then give it a firm push. Then I'm gonna remount my 2 top screws and my 3 screws in the center. Got the 2 on the top. One more on this side. Now we can put the heating knobs on. Metal tab. It's going to go opposite of the one with the notch.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.